Today we're making one lazy pasta pot with homemade tomato sauce. First, I'm gonna pour some water into the pan. Add a bit more water, I see. And I'm gonna turn off the heat. Alright, the heat is on. I let this boil for roughly 10 minutes or so. Then it is cooked al dente. And then we're gonna make soon the tomato sauce. Right, I added two fresh tomatoes, 1 onion, and 5 garlic cloves. That's what I'm gonna blend into the blender. I will add a little bit of olive oil to make the process a bit smooth and also for the taste. Right, it's all blended now. When I toss it in the pan, I'm gonna add some herbs to make it tasteful, obviously. I added some all-salted butter. I will let it melt fully before adding the tomato sauce. It's already melted. Here comes the tomato sauce. Be careful that it doesn't splash into your face, please. Alright, the pasta is cooked al dente perfectly. Then we move on to the tomato sauce, which is still cooking. I will let it shimmer on medium-high heat for about 10 minutes. The herbs that I added is one small teaspoon of thyme, 4 small teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 small teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 small teaspoon of onion powder, and 3 small teaspoons of sweet paprika powder. Alright, 10 minutes is done. I forgot to mention that I added also some salt and black pepper. Alright, that's the end result. I added some splash of olive oil, some coriander, chopped coriander, some black chili pepper and black pepper too if you want like a bit more spicy. Well, I hope you enjoy.